Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the route planner feature on the Bus London application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my cool YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on the route planner button down below, which is the second option. After that you should select your destination at the top, and then select your first of all you should select your departure point and then your destination. So type it into the search bar and tap on the search now button, and here you will be able to see the available results that you can browse among. So just tap on the relevant one that you find interesting, and here you can see your planned route on the map, and here you can see how you can get there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.